Hi, my name is Keith, a technician with USACLEAN for over 11 years, and this is a Nilfisk Adfinity 20D 20-inch auto scrubber. Now in this short video series, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how to properly maintain your machine to keep it running at peak performance to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service technician. Okay, so you need to replace your solution tank drain hose. Now it's always a good idea to have a bucket or a small pail underneath here to catch that excess water that you may have in your solution tank. First thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and loosen the hose clamp that you've got down here. Okay, just like that. Remove it from the top. Remove it right there. Okay, so to put it back together, just reverse your steps. Put it back on the bottom here, put it back on the top, and then tighten that hose clamp down. Just to make sure we don't have any leaks. And you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. Now for all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now if you liked what you watched, go ahead and click that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.